Hey there, fellow digital entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to discover the secret to generating a massive payday through the power of email marketing? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride that could change your life for good. Please don't forget to check the links in our description below for all the resources mentioned in this video. Before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Have you ever dreamed of making a life-changing amount of money in just a few weeks? We're talking about the kind of money that could help you pay off your debts, take that dream vacation, or finally invest in that passion project you've been putting off for years. Well, my friends, that dream is about to become a reality. In this video, we're going to explore a proven system that can help you earn a staggering $60,000 in just 4 weeks, all through the power of email marketing. Part 1: How to earn $30,000 in 1 week with your email list. Let's start with a little story, shall we? Imagine you're at a party, and you strike up a conversation with a charming stranger. You quickly realize they're a total whiz when it comes to email marketing, and they let you in on a little secret. You know, I made $30,000 in just 1 week by tapping into the power of my email list. Your eyes widen, and you can't help but ask, how on earth did you do that? Well, my friend, that's exactly what you're about to learn in part 1 of this course. Our expert, Aurelian, has cracked the code on how to leverage your email list to generate massive paydays, and he's going to show you exactly how to do it. Imagine being able to wake up to a flood of sales notifications in your inbox, all thanks to the power of your email list. It's like having a digital money tree in your backyard. Part 2: How to earn the next $30,000 in 3 weeks. Okay, so you've mastered the art of the 1-week launch. But what about the long game? In Part 2, Aurelian is going to reveal his secrets for keeping the momentum going and generating an additional $30,000 in the following 3 weeks. It's like having a well-oiled machine that just keeps churning out cash. Imagine being able to take your family on a dream vacation, pay off your mortgage, or finally invest in that passion project you've been dreaming about. With Aurelian's strategies, the possibilities are endless. Part 3: How to keep on growing from there. But wait, there's more. In Part 3, Aurelian is going to show you how to take your email marketing business to the next level. We're talking about exponential growth, my friends. Imagine being able to scale your business to the point where you're making $60,000 in 4 weeks, and then doubling, tripling, or even quadrupling that amount in the months and years to come. It's like having a golden goose that just keeps laying those golden eggs. And the best part? Aurelian is going to share his proven strategies for keeping that goose happy and healthy, so you can enjoy a steady stream of income for years to come. Bonus: how to use what you've learned to sell services to businesses. But wait, there's more. Aurelian has a special bonus in store for you. He's going to show you how to take the skills you've learned and use them to sell your services to businesses. Imagine being able to walk into a local business and say, "Hey, I can help you make more sales online using my proven email marketing strategies." It's like having a secret superpower that you can use to help others while also lining your own pockets. And the best part? You don't even need to be a marketing expert to do it. Aurelian is going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. The System.io Launch Kit, your ticket to rapid success. But wait, there's even more. When you purchase this course, you'll also get access to the System.io Launch Kit. This is like having a cheat code for launching your offers as fast as possible. Imagine being able to set up your entire sales funnel in a matter of minutes, without having to worry about the technical details. It's like having a personal assistant who handles all the behind-the-scenes work, so you can focus on what you do best, making sales and growing your business. And the best part? Aurelian is going to show you how to use the launch kit to its full potential, so you can start seeing results as soon as possible. The proof is in the pudding. Still not convinced? Well, let me tell you about some of Aurelian's students who have already seen incredible results using his strategies. Take Sarah, for example. She was struggling to make ends meet during the pandemic, but after taking Aurelian's course, she was able to generate $60,000 in just 4 weeks. Can you imagine the look on her face when she realized she could finally pay off her debts and start living the life she'd always dreamed of? And then there's Mike, who used Aurelian's strategies to launch a new digital product and make over $4,000 per week. He's now using that income to fund his passion project and travel the world. Talk about living the dream, am I right? The bottom line. Look, I get it. Email marketing can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're just starting out. But with Aurelian's foolproof system, you can turn your email list into a digital goldmine. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home, without having to worry about the technical details. So, why wait? Check the link in our description below to get your hands on this exclusive course and start making $60,000 in 4 weeks with email marketing. Trust us, you're going to be the talk of the town. If you found this video resourceful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video with your loved ones. Don't forget to check the next video displayed on your screen for more insights. Thank you and see you in the next video.